Hello, my name is Raj, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a pizza with pizza bread. First step. It is very simple and quick to make. No need to make a pizza dough. No need to get flour, water, or yeast. Just grab a bag of pizza bread. I prefer Adonis Pizza. You can buy this at any Metro store or directly from Adonis, as make it fresh. There. You can make one pizza or a few pizzas at once, and with different toppings. Pizza dough takes long as the dough has to rest for at least 30 minutes, or until it rises. This type of pizza can be quick in the morning as lunches. Second step. It can be done with or without tomato sauce. Add the tomato sauce and make sure it spreads everywhere. You can also make a pizza without tomato sauce and use cheddar cheese instead. This pizza is cheaper and quicker to make. Third step, you add your toppings. Add as many toppings as you want on your pizza. You can make pizza with different toppings in order to get a variety of taste. For example, cheese pizza, veggie pizza, and meat pizza can be cooked at the same time in the oven because the pizza bread is small. Most important, do not forget to add loads of mozzarella to the top. Other examples of toppings are pepperoni, chicken, and bacon. Fourth step. Cook in a conventional oven or toaster oven. Preheat the oven at 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Put pizza in the center of the oven. It takes only 5 to 7 minutes for it to be ready. Let it cool down a little bit before you take it out of the oven. Make sure not to overcook the pizza as the pizza bread cooks quickly. It's quick and easy. It's not too long as the pizza with dough. Finally, cut and serve and enjoy. Here are my references I used for my presentation. Hopefully you enjoyed my demonstration on how to make a pizza with pizza bread. Thank you.